Well, dear students, in this video, I am again solving some questions for you on compound microscope, which are supposed to be very learning questions. Actually, we learn by doing problems. First, we study the topic and then we practice. So, there is question 9.33 from NCRT. 9.33 NCRT. Question says that an angular magnification or magnifying power of 30x लिखा हुआ है 30x is desired using an objective of focal length 1.25 centimeter and eyepiece FE of focal length 5 centimeter. How will you set up the compound microscope? Actually, we are given objective lens of compound microscope of focal length 1.25 centimeter and FE 5 centimeter only. We want magnitude 30x means 30 times. So people get confused by this. This is I think times 30 times. So we generally set up the microscope for image to be in sharp focus. Let the microscope be set up for sharp focus. Sharp focus means final image at D, that is final image at D equal to 25 centimeter. How would you set up the microscope? Means you are asked here what is the distance between objective lens and eye lens should be kept there. You need L, and for least distance it is VO plus UE. For the final image to be at D, the distance between objective lens, eye lens is VO plus UE. Please note, I am noticing here that the video regarding telescope microscope have not been taken very seriously. But dear friend, please learn this. Don't think that this is a hard topic. First of all, see the image formation. The way I have draw the diagrams. I have drawn the diagram of telescope microscope. Please see them and learn them. Then you can easily solve the question. So who form final image eyepiece? So we first of all find UE. So for eye lens. V equal to minus 25 centimeter. F equal to 5 centimeter. So what is UE? Lens equation 1 upon B minus 1 upon U equal to 1 upon F. Put these value here and get UE. So 1 upon minus 25 minus 1 upon UE is equal to 1 upon 5. So minus 1 upon UE equal to 1 upon 25 plus 1 upon 5. LCM 25, it is 5 plus 1. So UE comes out to be minus 25 by 6 centimeter. Now you want VO, image formed by objective lens. You are given focal length of eyepiece. You are given M. For compound microscope, M equal to minus VO over UO into 1 plus D upon FE. Remember this. So 30 equal to minus VO over UO into 1 plus 25 upon 5. So from here minus BO over UO. Actually it will be 6. So it is 5. Or we need VO. So you have to find out, you have to use equation VO minus UO 1 upon F. So you need VO. So from here find UO बराबर minus VO upon 5. And therefore using length equation for objective lens. So for objective lens 1 upon VO minus 1 upon minus VO over 5. So this 5 is equal to 1 upon 2.5. So it is plus, so 6 upon VO is equal to 1 upon 0.25. So VO is equal to 6 into 1.25. So 7.5 centimeter. So L, and hence distance between objective lens and eye lens, L is equal to 7.5 plus 25 by 6. You can solve by taking LCM. So it is 6, 6 5 are 30, 45. 6 7 are 42 or 3 plus 25. It is equal to 70 upon 6. Means 6 1 is 6, but you get 10, 6 1 is 6, 4, 6 लगभग. This will be the distance between eye lens and objective lens. So this was the question for compound micro. This question has been asked in board 3 times in my teaching period. I had been there nearly for 40 years in the same school. So this question has been asked 3 times. And now one more question I have taken from other book, that is Newton Physics. This question is again very good question. Please practice the question. Dear children, dear learners, I am observing that students, the data is given in the YouTube, that people aging 40 to 50 are my most subscribers are 40 to 50 year age. Students are not. I don't know. Actually, in this age, student life, we always enjoy free time. But we have no time, dear. We work hard. This is the age to learn the things. The childhood is only to learn the facts and come out of the blind faith that someone will do for us. Nobody will work for you. You have to fight your struggle yourself. Everyone has to fight for himself. No other come in between. Now, here is a question. The distance between objective of compound microscope and real image formed by it is 18 centimeter. It means VO, 18 centimeter. The distance between objective of microscope and real image formed by it is 18 centimeter. If FO is equal to 0.4 centimeter and F is equal to 2.0 centimeter. Calculate the magnifying power. Calculate M. Number 1, for relaxed eye. And number 2, when final image is at least distance of distinct vision. I am writing the whole thing, otherwise I could have written here only at D, so that you realize. So you for relax eye, by magnifying power for relax eye, first case, for relaxed eye, M is equal to minus VO over UO into D upon FE simply. So you need UO. You are given FO and VO for objective lens. Lens equation is there. Remember it. We get 1 upon 18 because image is real, other side positive, minus 1 upon UO is equal to 1 upon f0.4, indicate 10/4. From here, minus 1 upon UO, 10/4 minus 1/18. LCM 36, 4 9 ja 90 minus 2, 18 to 36, so it will be 88 upon 36. So UO we have got minus 36 upon 88. Now put the value here. So M is equal to, hence M is equal to minus 18 upon 36 upon 88 into 25 upon 2. 18 2 ja 4 4 ja 4 2 ja, and it is minus 25 2 ja 50 or 55. 550 minus. It will be the magnification when final is at infinity. Relax eye. For relax eye, final image will be at infinity. So these questions are asked in competitive exam as well board exam. Now second question is there, when final image at least distance of distribution. So for sharp focus means final image at D. The magnifying power of microscope. You must write like this. That's why I'm writing. M is equal to minus VO over UO into 1 plus D upon FE. So now we have determined VO given, for that VO UO was there. I forgot how much is that. That was क्या था वो 1 upon UO 1 upon FO 10/4 plus or minus 1 upon 18, yes, like this. So 36 90 minus 88, 37 upon 88. तो VO तो minus 18 upon 36 upon 88 and into 1 plus 25 upon 2. It is minus 18 to the 36, 44. So 44 are into 27 upon 2, 22, 27, 154, carry 15, or 44, it is 594. So this is the magnification. Minus sign means image is inverted. So this way these are some simple questions. Please remember the diagram. Draw the diagram 2 or 3 times. Generally in class 12 board exam, you only are asked to draw the ray diagram of image formation when final image at D as well as infinity. दोनों हो जाते हैं equally. So this was something about microscope. Now I tell you some question on telescope. And that is astronomical telescope. Telescope is used to see the object at infinity, and therefore there should not be any confusion. That image will be at focus or even sometimes you are given focal length of objective lens of telescope is, suppose they say that it is 40 centimeter and a tower is at distance of 3 kilometer. So 3 kilometer is also treated as infinity. I have explained many times. Now I went to my relation and I got child there, and I asked this kid, what do you mean extending to 0? There is lot of confusion about this word, this notation, extending to 0. People say it is becoming 0. No. Actually, this indicates that x is a small value with respect to some bigger value. And we can neglect, but that is there. For example, I say 10 to the power 10 plus 10 to the power 20. 10 to the power 10. 4 means 10,000. So 10,000 is not small, is not 0. It is actually, if we add to this, so people are confused in addition also. So it comes 10 to the power 20 only. No. Suppose you take 10 to the power 20 of 1 plus 10 to the power minus 16. When we divide this by 10 to the power 20, we get this thing. And it is negative small in with respect to 1. So we can write only. So that way x tend to 0 does not mean it is 0. It is a small number. I am explaining continuously, but I don't know what is the previous behavior of students, and people don't want to learn. 2 weeks ago, the average working average hours for which video was seen was very large, but now it is now becoming very small. While I am teaching nowadays, very important thing. So now, okay, I will take in next video question about telescope.